A warm cup of coffee in the morning is perfect for waking up your senses. However, do you know it can also work as a pick-me-up for your skin? Well, a DIY coffee scrub can be your way to refreshing and bright skin. Coffee scrubs smell heavenly and feel equally good on your skin. They are mild, exfoliate your skin gently, make it fair, soft and smooth, and remove dry patches. So hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Today I am sharing an amazing remedy of coffee sugar scrub which makes your skin bright and fair. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this remedy you need coffee. Coffee slows off dead skin cells and reveals new, brighter, and smoother skin underneath. Coffee scrub reduces cellulite from skin. Using a coffee scrub all over your body and face during the shower automatically makes your skin soft to touch. Not to mention the invigorating aroma of coffee, it is enough to awaken your senses. So take 4 tablespoons of coffee. Next ingredient is rice flour. Rice flour lightens the skin color and also tightens the skin. It clears all the dirt and dead cells from the skin and boosts cell regeneration. The cell regeneration process also helps in reducing dark spots and uneven skin tone. So take 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Next ingredient is sugar. Sugar helps in removing dead skin cells and helps in blood circulation. Improved circulation means your cells are getting more oxygen and nutrients, which, in turn, makes your skin glow. So take 3 tablespoons of sugar. Next ingredient is olive oil. Olive oil helps in preventing aging. It prevents wrinkles and fine lines and also moisturize your skin. So take 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. If you want you can add 5 vitamin E capsules. If you want you can replace olive oil with coconut oil or almond oil. Mix all the ingredients very well. If you need you can add more oil for making it little runny which becomes easy to apply. Your coffee scrub is ready. Store this in an airtight container. And you can store this in refrigerator for a week. How to use. You can use this on all over your body and also on face. If you have acne prone skin then avoid using this on face. Apply this on your hands or on any other body part. And start scrubbing your skin. Scrub your skin for at least 10 minutes. And then wash it off with normal water. This makes your skin soft, bright and spotless. This also moisturizes your skin. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If so, then do share and like video. And hit the bell icon for notification. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.